Trying to finish the chain link.
Did you get that?
So as you guys know, Jason and I are at his parents' house. They are going to finish up the fence, and we didn't get to vlog yesterday. We had a wedding to take photos for, so we were busy all day. So let's see what we get into today. I think right now Jason and his dad are working on the fence, and then I gotta feed Stainer in just a minute, and so let's go check on the guys and see how they're doing.
Push it down this way. Trying to finish the chain link.
Did you get that?
Folks,
That's
sometimes
what
I don't even know what to say to that one.
Shit
That's how we're starting the video. So we're trying to finish putting the chain link up. All we got left is this one strip, and then build two gates, and then whenever he gets the barn put in, it'll be finished. So hopefully today we can finish this chain link and then maybe start on the gates. So we'll see what happens.
And you know, we brought BB with us too. Right, Nugs? She's been enjoying herself. She got to meet her grandparents. She's just a sweet, sweet. Stainer. Well, he finished his whole bottle. Good boy, Stainer, good boy. As you know, we have Stainer and BB with us. It was an 8-hour drive. Stainer did amazing. We had him in a dog crate, and he had a dog bed in there with him, and we traveled kind of overnight. We left at 4 a.m., so he got to sleep halfway, through that trip. We fed him once, and he did great. He pretty much slept the whole time, didn't make a sound. BB too. It was awesome, super easy, so we'll definitely have no issue traveling with him in the future. Not that we will, but if we ever had to. He's been sleeping in this little hay bale thing. It's not a bed, but he sleeps in there. He likes it. The other goats don't really let him sleep with them, but he's been sleeping in there and staying warm. It's not too cold, but it is a little more chilly than it has been for Texas anyway. But that's the update so far. I am going to work out, and then we can check on the progress with the fence. they don't have a ton left to do, so hopefully they get the gates up and stuff today and we can enjoy most of the time that we're here. So we'll see. So I just got done working out. It's almost time to feed Stainer again. Let's go see what progress the guys have made. And I think Mom's making tacos or something for lunch. How's it going?
Better. We haven't fallen down at all yet.
Not since.
Well,
It's getting there.
what's left? Just the gates.
Well, yeah, we gotta put the gate on, the chain link, and then still hook the fence on the top and stuff, but it's almost finished. Should film the jets going over. No,
see
you
'em.
can't see them that way. Genius. I don't think Stainer likes being in his pen, not be able to roam the yard.
Is that wrench? That crescent wrench?
What game is that?
Mahjong
Dominoes and...
Now you have to just match them.
I used to play that all the time.
But I play it till I'm in it because it pisses me off when I lose. So then it becomes kind of a memory. You know, how did I do that? What didn't work?
Is it the same thing every time?
No, but I played the same game over. I could choose to play the same game. So,
And you've got match symbols or letters or numbers?
and there's 4 each time. So you can, you know, and then you
To do that too.
And it just...
So as you know, it's time to feed Stainer again, and Jason and his dad are calling it a day today. And we'll see what else we get into today. Hi, buddy. Jason, what are you doing?
Making a drink.
That's a lot of vodka.
I bought half a gallon of vodka. I don't drink beer.
And now he's drinking half a gallon of vodka.
I don't drink beer. I'd rather just do vodka. And then I got some brownies over here. You want to check these out?
nuts
So-
and chocolate chunks.
So, last night, Jaylene and I went and did photos for a wedding. And we put our phones in the backpack and we were doing stuff all night. And we were gonna head home. We got our phones out and there was a text from Mom saying, "There's pizza, chicken, and brownies waiting for you when we get home." So we got home. Half the brownies were gone. Oh, Mom and Dad ate them all, and apparently Mom's saying it was Dad. So,
I only had 3.
yeah, piece is probably this big, because half the thing of that was gone. So, who do you guys think ate it? My dad or my mom?
What are we having for dinner?
Chalupas. Are they technically chalupas? People always tell me that's not a chalupa.
No, it's a tostada.
Tostada.
A
Why do we call
chalupa's like a
them
burrito.
chalupas?
A burrito.
Yeah.
A burrito.
A burrito? It's like a burrito up in here in Texas.
Well, it does say
Tostada shells. You're a
Oh,
trash
well.
digger. So we're gonna have
I don't
tostadas.
know, I never heard of a chalupa till I moved to Texas.
Speaking of chalupas, the flying UFO, whatever it is, in
Yeah,
Kingsville
yeah.
got a makeover.
Did it?
It looks new. just for you folks if you were curious.
It's great. I recommend the Compuesta. Comes in a bowl like this. Good crunchy taco shell on the bottom. It's got all the fixings of a chalupa. Sour cream, avocado. Yummy. It's the best.
It's the
And
best.
while we're on here, I just want to say H-E-B has the best drinks. I really like Coca-Cola Diet Zero, but this is just as good.
A lot of you people are probably thinking, what in the world is H-E-B?
Store only, grocery store only in Texas.
And it's amazing. It's like Walmart,
It's awesome.
but better. It's the Buc-ee's of gas stations, or Buc-ee's of stores. Grocery stores.
I am not a huge fan of
Found.
I'm not a huge fan of brownies. They're always dry and hard, and I don't really like them. I did eat one of those brownies, and those are the best brownies I've ever had.
She's sucking up.
Thank you. They are also Hill Country Fair brand, which is H-E-B. They are chocolate chunks with nuts, and they are delicious.
Yeah, but as delicious as this stuff. That's how I say vodka when I'm drunk. Vodka.
Do you get drunk often?
Not often. Hardly ever. I drink.
Once in a while.
I haven't been drunk since Vegas. On the wedding, because
You were drunk last time we came down.
I had to be.
One night.
I guess that's true. But I don't really drink
But only
often.
like one night.
Fun
After the whole
fact.
2 weeks we were here.
Fun fact, I didn't start drinking until I was 30. Straight edge. Never even took a sip of alcohol until I was 30. And then for my 30th birthday, we threw a big party.
And you drank a bunch of Smirnoff.
And I drank a bunch of Smirnoffs and got trashed. And now I just drink vodka because I don't like the way beer tastes. It's pretty nasty. But I'm going to go eat these. And then beans and chips. See y'all in a little bit.
So we just ate dinner. We had tostadas.
They were
Not chalupas.
I thought you were going somewhere with that.
No.
We know we didn't vlog a whole lot of craziness today, but tomorrow we're gonna do more. We're almost finished with the fence. All we gotta do is build the gates and then we're done. I have been super tired all day because we did the wedding yesterday and got home super late. So I apologize for not doing a whole lot today. And I have been slacking on commenting on all these videos and all your comments, but I'm gonna try to get back to that. But now I'm just gonna watch some American Pickers, drink some more vodka, and try to relax for the rest of the night.
We're going to call it a day, and we are going to leave you with something very, very, very special.
Uh-oh, what is this? You gonna say anything?
No.
She says enough.